Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get input from the user. So for example, you can ask the user their name or their number or any information. So how do you exactly do that? So the way to do it in Python is the function input. This is right here. This is built into Python, so you can use this one. And Python will ask the user to enter whatever data you want to ask the user. So let's get started. So in this program, we're gonna ask the user their first name, and then we're gonna ask the user their last name, and then we're gonna print out their first and last name on the screen. All right, let's get started. So one more thing. Say the user enters an information, right? You would want to store that information into somewhere and then print that information later. So you have to have a variable that stores that information which the user enters. So let's say we declare a variable first name, and then we're gonna ask the user what is their first name. So this input this input is gonna ask the user their to enter the information that we are asking, and that information gets stored into this variable first name. So we can have a print statement that will ask the user their first name. So we can write please enter your first name. All right, and then the new line character, this is the new line character, that means it's gonna go to the new line. After this print statement prints, it's gonna go to the new line and ask the user to have the user input data. And then we can print please please enter your last name, and then new line again. And then we have to declare a last name variable and then have the user input their name. So for the first variable we did first name and then input. So when the user inputs their information, that information will be stored in first name variable. And for the second one, when the user inputs their last name, that information will be stored in last name variable. All right, so we have the user's first and last name, and then now we can print their first and last name on the screen. So we can do print your name is, right, and then we can use comma, and then we would put their first name, that is first underscore name. So this variable holds the user's first name, right? So we would want to use this one here. So when the statement prints your name is, and then the first name prints out, and then their last name prints out. So we use comma and then last name, and then we are done. So this statement will print out your name is blah and blah. All right, let's execute and see what happens. Let me extend the screen. So the cursor at line 3 is going to print this statement out on the screen. Please enter your first name, and then it's going to goes to the next line, line 4. We are asking the user to input their first name, right? So when we enter the first name, that first name gets stored into first name here. So we can put John, submit, and then on this screen, this is not printing any stuff. This is the John input that you put in. So for some reason, Python visualizer just do it like this, but this is actually this John is actually the information you're putting in. All right, we're in line 5 now, and we are gonna print. So please enter your last name gets printed on the screen. We are on line 6. We're asking the user to enter their last name, and then you can put Doe and then submit. And then now we have first name as John and then last name as Doe. So we have the user's first and last name. And now the program is going to execute line 8, which is going to print the first and last name on the screen. So when we hit forward, all right, so we have your name is John Doe. So this is how you print a format string. It's not, this is how probably you would get the variable in the print statement using comma to print that variable, to print the information of that variable on the screen. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, pretty short video for user input. And if you guys have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time with more exciting stuff. Till then, take care. Bye.